In the heart of Gauteng, under the golden light of Johannesburg's morning sun, history was made. His Royal Majesty, King Musia of the KHOISAN nation, arrived with dignity and purpose to pay homage and forge a path forward with His Royal Majesty, Chief Mbongeni Mhlanga II of the Ndebele Kingdom. A meeting not of ceremony alone, but of vision, a shared commitment to the prosperity and upliftment of their people.
First, you know who you are, where you come from. Language is language. Like I say, in China, all those people look the same. They are all called Chinese, but in 302 languages. How many languages do you think are in South America? Let's call them 20. 20. Just because other languages are not spoken so regularly or so often, and people now are being said to be no, just because it's a country means that it's a KHOISAN. That's not right. Your history is yet to be written by you. By you, just like my brother was saying properly here, that, Usman, that needs to be documented. It needs to be written down. It needs to be, it will be their great-great-grandfather's handwriting, narrating the story to the children. Not what Van der Merwe once thought that they said hot Hottentots. Do you know why that is? When they came through there, Cape Town, they had no wives. But they found these beautiful women, the San women, and they just followed themselves. Our aunties, our grandmothers. They just, it was democracy during the night and apartheid during the day. Like come. During the night, come, darling. And children were born. That made the Khoi, Cap, Holland, Rene, indigenous. The San man who used to own livestock, that man was then chased away. They were killed. Those that resisted were killed. They were forced to give away their animals to the white men. And then after that, they were forced to look after the animals, which are now belonging to them. At the end of the month, that boss comes and gives them hot 10 tots. And your great-great-grandfather actually got drunk and the test. He's singing out of the sofa, knowing that he doesn't own what rightly knows. And when he does, the white man didn't see or understand what he's saying. Thought, they are happy. I give them hot 10 tots and give them cows. Give them whatever, hot 10 tots. Later they called us Hottentots. It just became a derogative word that actually defined who we were. And at a later stage, we found out that these people are talking different languages. And then he said, divide them by the language they speak and rule them.
In quiet, powerful moments, the two leaders discussed matters close to their hearts, from heritage preservation to economic empowerment, from cultural pride to community development.
We are taking all ourselves in Africa, and the monarch must be able to say, my people, this is the way I treated you. I allowed you to live under my authority with your isolated or different places, which I say, you can put your kingdom there. You can put your kingdom there. But when they came, they put demarcations. and say, these ones speak Ndebele, put them there. These ones speak Sutu, put them there. These ones speak Zulu, put them there. Let's put boundaries so that the people never know. Which I want to say today, from what His Majesty said, this division which was brought especially to Africa, Africa being divided not by the Africans, Africa being divided by the colonizers. When the originals of this land, the KHOISAN, yet managed to say, this is our land as big as it is. If you are living there, we will be watching you fighting Zulu and the Xhosa or and Sutu or Shangani. We don't even interfere with your war, but we just say, whoever has managed to get power and control that area. You understand? Which means we had this voice of saying, all of this stuff in Africa is our land. Let our people live peacefully. And that must be respected. And now we move on to say, Your Majesty, I would have liked to hear from you the time frames of how and when these things need to be implemented. Because as long as we don't have time frames, we remain with unlimited time where we solve things. But I feel that the time has come where we put our house in order. And we believe that you, as the KHOISAN, who being the father with this home here, and we are the children with all this, but still, we say, there is the father. That's why I'm saying, every door there, you are supposed to find a notice which says, we are the KHOISAN, and you are us. Because we believe that accommodating all these different tribes under the custodianship needs to be respected.
Together, they spoke of unity, of building bridges between histories, of creating opportunity for the next generation. More than tradition, this was a vision in motion, a partnership rooted in mutual respect and a shared ancestral wisdom. The Ndebele Foundation was honored to witness and document this historic encounter, preserving the moment where legacy met leadership. In unity, strength, in dialogue, progress, in heritage, hope. This is only the beginning, a royal alliance for the people.